was a perfect start to my morning. What is up, everybody? Show off 3x4 here, bringing you another vlog. Today we're on the way down to Detroit to go to the Convoy. Actually, we're on the way to Detroit to go to the auto show. But first, we're heading to Gearhead Drummer's Convoy, and I was supposed to take a convoy down there with me, but nobody showed up. Could be because of the storm, because we can't tell. It is a winter wonderland out here. Unfortunately, I can't do a lot of drifting because I'm going to keep my ABS fuse in so that I can have cruise, and figure with an hour and a half trip, probably should keep it in. Otherwise, I'd be getting sideways. You guys know how it is. But yeah, we're gonna get headed down to the Convoy, and this whole vlog will just be convoys only, and meeting up with Gearhead Drummer. So I pulled my ABS fuse because I wasn't gonna do that, but I said screw it, I want to drift. It's beautiful out here. Look at who it is. Gearhead Drummer. Gearhead Drummer, everybody.
Told you I'd do this while I was...
Yeah.
I love this gimbal. Dude, I'm mic'd up. I got the gimbal.
Alright guys, so it is freezing cold out. Just started to snow again. We're here. In fact, there's Gearhead right now.
Oh God, you're talking about me?
But we're all just sitting in our trucks waiting for, I think, the last person to get here. Yeah, we're all sitting in the trucks just waiting for, what, last person to get here?
New story. God, I look terrible in that camera. Like, GoPros make ugly people look less ugly because it's less high definition. So new plan, we're just gonna go because Cameron is like 5 minutes away from his house, and it's like 20 minutes without the snow to get here.
Oh jeez.
And I told him we're leaving at 8:30, and yeah.
We got another Ram in the squad, baby. On the highway, got no ABS, don't need it. Glad to see I can drift with another Ram, 4th gen. Also, I gotta admit, Connor's front end of his truck looks badass. It is so beefy. Connor, your front end is dope. Jeez, oh Pete, man. Oh my God, so I just missed it, but that car right there, I just watched that car flip. I just watched that car, he like went up on top of the grass, started sliding, and then slid off the wall and came down and did like 2 flips. Holy frick. All right, we are here. I didn't know he was bringing the show. All right, so before we go to the auto show, I'm selling the stock Y pipe to this guy named Steven, and he brought his show. I didn't think he was gonna bring it. That's freaking awesome. Yep. Man, dude. Oh
It
my
should
God.
be a little quieter once the stock Y pipe's on, but
Yeah.
go ahead and sit in it and give it a little grab, shut the door. You don't hear the drone.
Really? Wow.
Isn't that nuts?
That is nice, dude.
The Taurus.
Dude, I miss mine, dude. I didn't know he was bringing his.
I always drive it.
That is awesome.
My baby.
Oh wait.
A little dirty.
Yeah, it's all right.
Alright, this GoPro sucks.
Here, I'll pull up a.
These are my favorite.
Yeah, those are custom fit. What are they, HIDs?
Yep. Custom fit HIDs into the OEM housing. My friend actually designed, engineered, and fabricated the bracket to fit inside here. You can still use the stock adjustment screws to hang roll.
Dang.
Zach, what's wrong with yours? Why is it running?
Mine's dead. Don't know if I'm gonna record this because
the cold.
oh man, this is gonna be fun.
Oh, Zach.
Awesome.
Zach, by the way.
Dude, throwback to last year.
Dude, Zach, are you recording right now?
I am recording right
Happy
now.
anniversary, buddy.
Happy frickin' anniversary.
This that we met each other.
This is.
On pretty much the walk over to the
We were on the
people mover.
people, yeah, and we
I remember. Yeah, I
talked
was
about
like,
YouTube on the people mover.
we met, buddy.
Yep. This is where I went from thinking you were to knowing you were a tool.
It does.
It really does.
In Michigan. Hell yeah.
They got free tires on here?
I wish I need some tires.
Go ahead, man.
Take a seat. I support this. Wasn't bad. Like roads can't be bad, dude. That was terrible.
Dude, I loved it.
I mean, it was fun, but like, it's like, dude, watching that car on its side was pretty bad.
Yeah, so I'm pretty sure I told you guys about it already. Car went sideways. I told you guys in the truck, but we're gonna end the Convoy one here.
Yeah.
Right? Convoy was not as exciting as last one because we kind of needed both hands.
Yeah.
But hope you guys enjoyed. If you haven't already, go subscribe to Gearhead Drummer.
He's doing the outro for me, but make sure to follow Show Off 3.4.
Yeah, so we're gonna head to the auto show now, so make sure you guys stay tuned. I'm gonna do a video on the GT500, Supra, and Explorer ST, and then I'm gonna do a whole video of like the whole entire thing. So make sure you guys stay tuned. If you enjoyed, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you in the next vlog.
What he said, guys.